Whoa, what a huge watermelon!
On the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. I must hurry, I'm late for school. Oh no! Watermelon! Oh, what's happened there? What am I supposed to do now? Help me! Help me somebody! Don't worry, mister. I will help you.
Yes, okay.
Thanks a lot. You are the real heroes of our city.
What's happened?
Something wrong with bus. What's happened, Billy?
I can't get out there. Can someone help me?
Take that rope.
Nice.
I can't handle that by myself. Let's call helicopter.
Hi guys! Let's help Billy!
Oh, no. I'm scared.
Billy scared of height. Let's call fire car Frank. Frank, you need to help us. Helicopter, your turn. Billy, now is everything okay? Give it a try.
I have a new, bigger one.
Great. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.
Great. I like boats and river.
Yeah! Oh, it's already here. I need to be careful.
What is that? Something wrong with the boat.
Oh no! It's trapped! We are gonna sink in that river! Ah!
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 Help! Help us!
Help!
Someone help us!
Help us!
Help!
Help!
Help! Help us! Someone help us!
Helicopter, we need you. We'll wait you by the river.
Help! Help! Help!
I'm on my way. Helicopter is here. Please be quick. Save those cars.
Okay, one by one.
Be careful!
And the last one.
Oh, helicopter rescued us. I'm so glad. What's happening here? Where is it? Ah! Help me! Help! No, help me!
What was that? Somebody needs help.
Oh no! Ah!
Oh! Heli, you must hurry up. We need your help.
Oh, thank you, officer.
Nothing.
Lucas. What's happening here?
There is trouble with this bridge.
Thank you, officer.
Nothing.
That's all. I've solved that problem with bridge.
Dude, let's race in that city. There is no police at all.
I love that idea. Let's do that. Please, buddy. I'm faster than you.
I believe I can fly.
Oh, they're gonna run a red light. Breaking the rules is not good.
Dude, faster! Bikes? Not on my watch. Oh God, police!
He's chasing us. Be quick.
No worries. We are faster than light. I can't handle it by myself. Let's call back up.
And they said, Bulls gonna win in Miami. Oh, Lucas is calling. Yep, Lucas. Got it. We'll be there in 5 minutes. Let's go, guys. Lucas need help.
Let's go in that way. You're surrounded. Turn off your engines and stay where you are. You are under arrest. Let's go back.
They're chasing police.
We are in the trouble. Great! Lucas is here. You are under arrest. Please stay where you are.